I'm asking the ICC to hurry up and if possible they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na pagpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nila ang investigation. Maraming mali. Baka may maraming krimen that for all of the successes and mali o ano, I and I alone take full legal, moral responsibility. Yan ang iniiwan ko. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? And there's naman doon blooper, puro